OpenAI, a non-profit research company that develops artificial general intelligence, has acquired Global Illumination, a New York-based startup that uses AI to build creative tools and infrastructure. The acquisition is OpenAI's first public acquisition in its roughly 7-year history. Global Illumination was founded in 2020 by a team of engineers and artists who were interested in using AI to create more realistic and immersive digital experiences. The company's mission is to democratize the power of AI for creatives by making it easier for artists and developers to use AI to build their own creative tools and applications. Global Illumination's first product was a plugin for the Unity game engine that allowed users to create realistic lighting effects using AI. The plugin was a success, and it helped to establish Global Illumination as a leading provider of AI-powered creative tools. The company Global Illumination does not use a global illumination system. Global illumination is a technique used in computer graphics to simulate the way that light bounces around a scene. It is a computationally expensive technique, and it is not typically used in real-time applications. The company Global Illumination develops AI-powered creative tools and infrastructure. Their products are designed to be used by artists and developers, and they do not require the use of Global Illumination. However, the company OpenAI, which acquired Global Illumination in 2023, does use Global Illumination system in its products. The acquisition of Global Illumination is a major move for OpenAI. It gives OpenAI access to Global Illumination's expertise in using AI for creative applications, as well as a team of experienced engineers and artists. This will help OpenAI to improve its products and technologies, such as ChatGPT, and to expand into new markets and applications. The acquisition is also likely to have a significant impact on the AI space. It is a sign of the growing maturity of the AI industry, and it is likely to accelerate the pace of AI development. It is also likely to have a positive impact on the future of AI, as it will help to ensure that AI is developed in a responsible and ethical way. Here are some of the specific ways that the acquisition is likely to benefit OpenAI. Improvement of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI that can generate human-quality text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. The acquisition of Global Illumination will give OpenAI access to Global Illumination's technology, which can be used to improve the realism and immersion of ChatGPT's responses. Development of new AI-powered creative tools. Global Illumination has developed a number of AI-powered creative tools, such as a plugin for the Unity game engine that allows users to create realistic lighting effects using AI. The acquisition of Global Illumination will give OpenAI access to these tools, which can be used to develop new AI-powered creative tools for artists and developers. Expansion into new markets and applications. Global Illumination has a strong track record of working with creative industries such as gaming and film. The acquisition of Global Illumination will give OpenAI a foothold in these industries, and it will help OpenAI to expand into new markets and applications for its products. The acquisition of Global Illumination is a major step forward for OpenAI. It is a sign of the growing importance of AI in the world, and it is likely to have a significant impact on the future of AI.